Welcome to the first episode of our NLP series, Introduction to NLP. I am Physicity, and together we will explore how machines understand, interpret, and interact with human language. Let's dive in. What is NLP? Natural Language Processing or NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence. Okay, now let's discuss what is the abbreviation of NLP. The abbreviation of NLP is Natural Language Processing. Okay, now the point is clear. Now on going to the next thing, we need to explain about NLP. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence. As you all know that artificial intelligence, the definition of artificial intelligence is to manipulate the things without human interruptibility. Means if we write a code on that machine, it will goes without we are motivating or automating the system. Is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to understand, interpret, and even generate human language. In simple terms, NLP bridges the gap between human communication and machine processing. Okay, first, if we give an input to the NLP, it takes the command and it understands. After that, it interpret and even generate human language. It generates into the human language and gives as an output. Okay, now how NLP works. Let's look at how NLP works. First, tokenization breaks into text into small pieces. There are three steps that are having in NLP. The first step is tokenization, and the second step is parsing analysis, and the third step is understanding, and finally the step is it generates the output. Tokenization. Let's deeply discuss about what is tokenization. Tokenization is nothing but dividing the parts of a sentence or a word. For example, we have to take that breaks text. This is the sentence, two-word sentence. We need to think. In tokenization, breaks can be divided into 6 parts: B1 token, R1 token, E1 token, A1 token, K1 token, and this is another token. And the text can be divided into 4 parts. For example, like this. And the second thing was parsing analyzes the structure of the sentence. Here we gave an input as breaks text. In this context, what is break text? It passes from beginning until end. If we start from B and it automatically ends at T, the next word of the text, the last word of the text. And the next step and the third step is machine focuses on understanding, identifying meaning and intent. And the third step, in the first step, it breaks down the smaller parts, and in the second step, it passes from beginning to the end of the sentence. And in the third step, focus on version. Here we took an example, breaks text. Breaks text means breaks is a verb which does a work breaking. And the text, we see that it is a similar we can see in many text things. And finally, the computer generates a appropriate response. After knowing the meaning and questioning, it deducts from all the training examples or datasets which are there in the previous boards. Okay. And the next thing is real world applications of NLP. What is real world applications? Daily we have surrounded by many NLP real world applications around the world. Okay. First thing, chatbots and virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. As we discussed that Siri and Alexa is the most important things that we currently use in our daily use. Siri, it takes a command and gives an answer to the command. For example, what is your name? What is your name? What is the name of the best editor in the world? It gives the name whichever they will be. Okay. And the next thing, machine translation. And the second real world example is machine translation. Okay. We have given an example in English text. How are you? It takes and processes and gives an output as Telugu language. How are you in Telugu? Okay. And the next thing, we are going to the third real world application. Spam detection keeps our inboxes clean. As we mentioned in the previous thing, that spam spam can be defined as the things which is having uncontent, means malicious data or unwanted data present in the spam. Okay. As in our daily basis, we are seeing spam mails, spam messages, spam news. To identify whether it is a spam news or a real news, we can check it by spam detection process. Okay. And the next thing, next real world example is sentimental ads. For suppose we are searching for a product lunchbox. Product A company gives the one type of lunchbox. Product B company gives another type of lunchbox. If A lunchbox has more bad reviews, B lunchbox has more good reviews. So the customer or the people gets into point of view that bad reviews are not good at rating, so they used to take good reviews for B. Okay, friends. And the next thing, sentimental analysis. That's the topic I'll discuss later. And the next thing, NLP-based rosterizing industries. In healthcare, it also summarizes patient records, clinical decision making. In finance, it detects fraudulent activity by analyzing text data, and in technology, NLP enhances search engines, making them smarter and more intuitive. Understanding NLP opens up endless possibilities for innovation. Okay. We can conclude under the following things. Okay. In the next episode, we will dive into the foundation of every NLP word, text preprocessing. We will explore how to clean and prepare raw text, getting it ready for advanced algorithms. Don't miss it.